All right, burping position number 3. So we did the traditional on the shoulder, we did the sitting in our lap. Now we're gonna do the facing out. Some babies really like to be facing out. Some babies are just gonna burp better when they're facing out. I can't tell you what's gonna work best for your baby, which is why we're having all of these videos available to you. You're gonna have to try and see what works best for him or her. So what we're gonna do, the facing out one, is we are going to, again, with our hand on the chest, our fingers on the jaw, okay? And then my other hand on the baby's bottom, I'm gonna set the baby against my hip or my stomach, but out here. So this hand is actually supporting the baby's head, and I have this one free to do the burping, okay? Remember, thump, 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 thump. We don't want light tapping. You can rub. But some babies, and even just holding, so if I'm gonna just hold the baby, I got one hand under the bottom. Some babies really just like to be facing out, and a happy baby is a happy parent. So work on trying all these different things, figure out what works best for your baby, and if you ever have questions, reach out to us at babystepsnursing.com.